Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get sushi rolls quickly. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This includes having your sushi rice already cooked and seasoned, and all your fillings sliced and organized. Think about using convenient options like smoked salmon, canned tuna, or pre-cooked shrimp to save valuable time. Having everything at your fingertips makes the rolling process much smoother and faster, allowing you to enjoy delicious homemade sushi in about 20 minutes. Now, let's assemble our rolls efficiently. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 3/4 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip clear at the top. This clear edge will help seal your roll. Arrange your chosen fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this makes rolling difficult and messy. A few key ingredients are usually enough for a perfect bite. Mastering the rolling technique is key to speed. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, tucking it over the fillings and pressing down gently to create a tight cylinder. Continue rolling forward, applying consistent, gentle pressure with your hands to keep the roll firm and even. Once you reach the clear nori edge, moisten it lightly with a little water. This acts as a natural glue, sealing your sushi roll securely. Practice makes perfect, and you'll be rolling like a pro in no time. Finally, let's slice and serve your delicious sushi rolls quickly. For the cleanest cuts, use a very sharp knife, lightly dampened with water between each slice. This prevents the rice from sticking. Carefully slice each roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, depending on your desired size. Arrange them beautifully on a serving platter. Your homemade sushi is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve immediately with a side of soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi for an authentic experience. Enjoy your quick and easy sushi.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.